Welcome to a new video of Phoenix Models Reviews, and today we're going to unbox the Etihad A350-1000, another A350-1000 with the registration A6XWB. That's actually quite a funny story. The registration for this plane doesn't even exist yet, so because Etihad has stored them in Toulouse, I think. So I think 4 A350-1000s of Etihad Airways have been built, but they're just stored in Toulouse because some of you might know that they have some financial problems and they in desperate need of cash, as far as I know and as far as the latest news reports go. So this registration is special, so you will probably never see this registration as far as I think, and even we can see here this might even be the mix between the French registration of Airbus and Etihad Airways registrations. All registrations within the UAE start with A6, so this is pretty interesting about this model in my opinion, and also special. So let's check out the box first. Here, as you can see, not really special, the Etihad logo and Airbus A350-1000, and the back is actually pretty normal, let's say, as well. And yeah, let's open the box. I see here it was already open, so let's open it here, even though I usually open it from the left hand side. And let's check the model out. I'm curious to see what flag we will have or how the registration looks like on this plane. So yeah, this is quite interesting. Too bad Etihad doesn't have them already in their fleet. Yeah, this is a bit disappointing, let's say it like that. To be honest, I really would like to fly with Etihad's A350s. Sadly, they have just so many 787s, so yeah, probably I'll never be able to fly with them in the near future. Oh my god, what happened here? Okay, let's go. Come on. Come on, plastic. You're my enemy of unboxings. Let's go. Okay, so let's take it out. This is always the most beautiful moment, and the model looks stunning. Yes, I can say it like that. It really looks amazing, and I'm really not sure if the registration will look like this when the model is actually, or when the airplane will be actually delivered to Etihad. And here I can see something again which is not good. The wing comes off here too. My god, oh, but this time it looks worse. Let me try to fix it. Oh, okay, maybe it's not even the seller's fault, because as you saw in my first video of the British Airways, which was actually this one here, you could see that the wing came off too, and it was the wing number 1, or the right wing, as left wing of course. So this is interesting, and maybe Phoenix has some quality issues here actually. This would be not the first I have to admit, but still surprising, let's say it like that. Yeah, nevertheless, let's go to the zoom part and check the airplane out in more detail. Okay, first of all, we have the cockpit again with the, in my opinion, rather pointy nose for the A350, but oh well, you can write it into the comments actually if you, first of all, if you have ever experienced quality issues with Phoenix models, and not with my channel of course, but with the brand, with this brand here down there. And of course, what was my other question which you should have asked? Yeah, exactly, if you think that the nose is too pointy as well. But yeah, let me know in the comments please, this would be awesome. So, and we can also start a small discussion if you like. First of all, we have the flag of the United Arab Emirates, the Etihad in the Arab character strings. Then we have their slogan, from Abu Dhabi to the world. And Etihad plus this little crown logo or emblem of the United Arab Emirates. To be honest, I don't really know exactly what it is. I think it's just from the flag or so. By the way, fun fact, Etihad is also the national airline of the United Arab Emirates, and it's not Emirates as many of you might think. So just a fun fact as well. Here we have the engine. After that we don't have a lot of interesting things. Of course, antennas, here is one, here is one, and then we have the Wi-Fi box. Registration A6-XWB. Of course I got the XWB because of the extra wide body of the A350. This is why I got this registration. And the tail. Yeah, the winglets are disappointing in my opinion. Just the standard yellow. I would have preferred if the winglets had a pattern like this here, like the tail. So that's actually, in my opinion, pretty disappointing. Yeah, but you can't have everything. Here we have the engines. They look good as well. And yeah, let's check out the bottom. The bottom is also a bit more special actually, as the winglets, Etihad, and some antennas as well. Then we have the writing here, A6-XWB, which we'll probably never see this registration in real life, just to let you know. And we have something cool. I'm not sure if the British Airways has this too. Oh, it has to. I just checked. Has here another thing, which I'm really not sure what this is for. And a lot of antennas. So concerning Etihad, I just like the delivery of Etihad. I think it's stunning, especially on the A380. That's why I also got the A380, by the way, of Etihad Airways. I think most of you probably should have one model of Etihad in your collection. That's just my opinion. Of course, you don't have to. Because of the livery, I think it's really special, really great. And I don't know, it just represents the United Arab Emirates pretty well with those sand colors, let's say. So I think it's pretty cool. I like this model. Probably you don't need to get the A350. You can also get another model like the A330 or A380, whatever you like. So yeah, pretty cool model, I have to say. For sure not a top model, let's say, but pretty nice model. I hope you liked this video. If so, give me a thumbs up. That would be awesome. And we'll see you soon again. Your Phoenix Models Reviews.